Man, so good to be back in home. Good to be back into the studio. Am I look weird? If I look weird, just ignore that part. I try not to. I try to be normal. A week ago, we're in Lisbon. It's one of the best locations we have had. It's amazing. It's great. I can't wait to go back. I would not go back. I would go to another country, but I'm just saying because we covered a lot. Like it was like amazing 9 days of vacation. We did a lot of exploring, a lot of walking up hills and down hills. It's like, you know, it's scrolling through these narrow roads and then finding places. I wanted to get those picture perfects, like, you know, waiting for the best location, waiting for the best moment. So a lot of filming, a lot of pictures. Some people like, well, who's this guy with a massive camera on him? Like, is he okay? I get that all the time when I walk around with the vlogging camera, but it is what it is, man. Like, you gotta do, you know, you gotta blend with it. So I have no regrets. I think I did a fantastic job. Had a lot of pictures, a lot of content. Also, if you had not seen the Lisbon video, please go ahead and check it out and come back to this video because it's awesome. Go ahead and check. It's awesome. Trust me, it's good. Just kidding. I don't know. It's like I feel like there's something that we're missing here. Something they got in Europe. There's something there, the vibe. I don't know. It's just we don't have it here. But you know, no complaints. It's home is sweet home. You know, always. I miss my bed so badly. That's one thing I miss very badly. Anyways, sometimes, you know, I just noticed myself. You know, sometimes I just run out of the words. So I had to reinforce. I had to reprogram and come back and talk to you. So I just kind of like to look over my pictures on Instagram, the work I did in Lisbon and all of the places. It's, you know, it's when you go back and look at your work, you'll be like, yes, I've been in this place, I've done something great. Feels good, you know, feels good. Okay, the purpose of this video, guys, today, and I have not talked to you like this before, so it's something new I'm trying to do. There will be a new arrangement of videos, new content creation for you. So doing something fair for you, like, you know, I've been here and there making videos. I'm not that consistent, but I'm trying my best to be creating these videos for you at least twice, at least 2 videos a week. So that's been that. I'm trying my heart, you know. That's what I like to do. Just making videos. Just making videos. I'm trying to divert to a different direction. You know, making something new. Just not going to be a regular way of doing things. Also, I'm trying to think out of the box. Think out of the box. Yes. Trying to go above and beyond making those crazy spin over, whatever you call it, creation of new video. Just keep it simple. I'm trying to make a new video on every Sunday, and then I like to say that slow flow Sunday. Slow flow Sunday. That sounds good. Slow flow Sunday. Slow flow Sunday. Slow flow Sunday. Slow flow Sunday. I think I got it right. I don't know what kind of video I'm gonna do, but there will be something. I'm trying my best. So yes, just wait for it, I guess. It's getting bored. I feel like it's time to say goodbye. Yeah. Just final moments. Just kidding. yeah, it's just a busy day, man. It's just a busy day. Another day is over. So hopefully I'll see you in an upcoming video. So just subscribe my channel, at least the least you can do, you know. Anyways, see you next time.